Hi and good morning, everyone. Today we are going to work through the intermediate math activity for April 23rd. So I have a lot of things pulled up on my computer that I want to show you. And you might be doing some pausing and going to different locations, and that's okay. I want you to do that. So I'm going to start with just making sure you have everything you need paperwork-wise to do our activity. Flip over here to my Google Drive, and we're going to go to April 23rd. We have this extra piece of paper here you can use for coloring or drawing. So for math, you're going to be comparing numbers today. And you need pages 26 and 27. And you can also use page 28 as a reference to help you, but save that because you're going to need it next week for a math activity as well. So the things that we're going to do today, you are going to watch a BrainPop Junior video on comparing numbers. We are going to review it says page 27. It's really page 26 we're going to review. And we'll talk about that in a few minutes. And then you can use you're going to complete page 27, which is, there are 2 pages of activities on that. They're kind of small, so that we could save paper. And then you can use page 28, which is the hundreds chart, to help you. All right. So let me show you some of that. Your hundreds chart looks like this. So you might want to use this, but I'm going to show you one online as well. Okay. Here's your work. You have these 2 pages, and we'll work through that. And then this is your teaching page. Okay. So, which is where we'll start when we teach. BrainPop Junior. So,
movie of the week.
Remember, when you come here, you can sign in by requesting that free access and going to family access and filling out their form. Or you can just go through, I'm going to close this and close this. And you can just go into the login for Wayne MCE, and pop and log in. And you're going to go to math. Great job.
Money.
And you're going to go to math strategies.
Patterns.
And I'm wrong. It's not there. I'm going to go back to math. So sorry. It's number sets. It's right there, the first one. Comparing numbers. Okay. Oh, and I see these alligators. That's a really important thing to think about. The alligators always want to eat the bigger number. And there is that hundreds chart. So this is a great time to pause the video and to watch it. Pause my video and watch the BrainPop Junior video. And then come back and join me to complete the activity. Okay? Great work. Okay, so now if you're back with me, we're going to look through our activity here. And one thing I'd like you to do, if you have the opportunity and ability to, is I found this great website called Toy Chest or Toy Theater. I keep calling it Toy Chest. It's toytheater.com. And when you go to toytheater.com, there are all kinds of things here you can do, okay? There are lots of educational games that you can play, and you can work through it based on what grade level, and you can also work on it based on either math, reading, art, music. You can do puzzles, games, and then there's this teacher tools thing here. They have virtual manipulatives, which are really handy if you're needing some counters and you don't have any handy, and you want that for like addition or subtraction or something like that. Those are handy to have. So if you just click on that, you can see there's a spinner. There are these color counters, shape counters, bear counters. There's all kinds of things. Alphabet tile. There's a thermometer. There's money that you can work with. So that's really handy stuff. Okay, but I'm going to use this hundreds chart, and we're going to flip back and forth between that while we're doing our activity, because I'm going to show you how you can use a hundreds chart to help you, just like Annie and Moby did in the video in Brain Pop Junior. All right. So that's toytheater.com, and it's the hundreds chart. And if you want to use that now, just pause my video and you can go there and come back. So we know that this sign here means greater than or bigger, more. So if Emily has 8 apples, and we have the number 8, and Chris has 4 apples, we know that 8 is bigger than 4. Bigger and greater mean the same thing. So 8 is greater than 4. So just like in the video, this is like the open alligator mouth wants to eat the bigger number. So 4 is the smaller number. So if you were looking at that chart, you can choose a color, and I'm going to pick orange because I know somebody who really likes the color orange in our class. And I'm going to click on 8 for the bigger number. And then I'm going to pick another color. I'm going to choose this blue, and 4. And so it's really easy to see here, which is the bigger number, which one's farther over. If this is the less, and we keep going more and more, these are bigger numbers, we can see that 8 is greater than 4. Good job. So less than means smaller, okay? When the arrow is pointed with the little pointy part going this way, it means smaller. So if Emily had 3 footballs and Chris had 7 footballs, 3 is smaller or less than. Those mean the same thing. 7. 3 is smaller or less than 7. So it's going, the arrow shape is going to be pointed this way, in this direction. Now, if you think about it, the alligator is still open to the bigger number because it always wants to eat the bigger number. So if we go to our hundreds chart and we clear it, just push clear. I'm going to stick with those colors. I'm going to stick with this blue for 3 and switch to orange for 7. We can see that 3 is less than 7, less than, smaller than 7. If you had 3 footballs and your brother had 7 footballs, you would have less footballs than your brother. Okay, and then there's one more. Equal to. Equal means the same. Absolutely equal, the same. So if Emily has 6 leaves and Chris has 6 leaves, 6 is the same as 6. 6, 6, same. Equal to. And you use an equal sign to represent that. There's no alligator. The alligator doesn't know which number to eat because they're the same. So if you go to your chart and you clear it and you have 6 and you have 6, they're the same. Do you see that? They're just the same. Okay. Great work. So you're going to go to your pages. It reminds you at the top what the signs are. 30, and this direction means greater than, this direction means less than, this direction means equal to. Okay? So if we have Emily washes 34 plates and Chris washes 14 plates. So our numbers that we are comparing are 34 and 14. So if we go to our hundreds chart, and you can use the interactive one or you can use the paper one, we have 34 and 14. Which one is greater? Which way is that sign going to go? Is 34 greater than 14, less than 14, or equal to? What do you think? Well, I see 3 10s, 10, 20, 30, 4, and 4 ones versus 14, 1 10, and 4 ones, 10, 14. So 34 is greater.
Greater than.
Great job. Okay, in our next situation, Emily waters 27 plants.
27.
And Chris waters 42 plants.
42.
Okay, so if we go to our hundreds chart, what we need to know is which ones is 27 greater than 42, less than 42, or equal to 42. We're going to clear. Now look back. 27. So on your hundreds chart, whichever one you're using, you need to make 27 and 42. So is 27 less than 42, greater than 42, or equal to 42? Let's decide. 2 10s, 7 ones, 4 10s, 2 ones. Which one do you think? Greater than, less than, or equal to? You're right.
Less than.
Less than. That alligator wants to eat 42 because it is the bigger number. Our bigger number is in orange, so it wants to eat the bigger one. Okay. So the last one on this page, Emily takes out 33 trash bags. She's been very, very busy. And Chris takes out 33 trash bags. He's been busy as well. go to our hundreds chart. Let's clear it. We're going to start with orange, 33. We're going to switch to blue, 33. What do you see happening here? They are the same. You're right. They're the same. That means that 33 and 33 are greater than. Is 33 greater than 33? Is 33 less than 33? Or is 33 equal to 33? That one's pretty easy. You're right. 33
equals
33. Well done. Okay, next page. Now we're going to compare numbers up to 100. Big numbers, big money, big time. Okay, that's why we need the hundreds chart. So Emily takes out 59 trash bags. Boy, they are really cooking it now. I wonder where they are. Where are they that they're taking out all these trash bags?
59.
That's a lot of trash bags. Chris takes out
48.
All right, go to your hundreds chart. You're going to be working far down in this range. Okay, Emily was at 59 and 48. We got to remember that. So 59 is our bigger number. We're going to make it orange. 59 and 48. So we need to know if 59, is it greater than 48, less than 48, or equal to 48? Greater than, less than, or equal to? What do you see happening here? Five tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 9 ones. 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 8 ones. 50, 40. Greater than, less than, or equal to? Well, I saw on the hundreds chart that it was past 48, so I know that's greater than. So that tells me 59 is greater than 48. Super job. Okay. Emily washes 86 plates. Chris washes 63 plates. We need to know if 86 is greater than or less than 63. So we're going to go to our hundreds chart. We're going to clear. We're going to go to 86 with orange. And we're going to do 63 with blue. Okay, so is 86 greater than 63? Is it less than 63 or equal to 63? Greater than, less than, or equal to? I see us going this direction. Wait. Eight tens, 6 tens, 80, 60. You're right.
Greater than.
Now, alligator's eating the bigger number, eating the bigger number. Now this next one looks a little bit tricky because I see a 7 in the tens place and a 7 in the tens place. So you have to really pay attention to the ones place. A 1 and a 2. A 1 and a 2. Which one's bigger? Which one's more? The 1, sorry, my back itches, or the 2? Let's look at our hundreds chart. So we have 71 and 72. Emily waters 71 plants. Chris waters 72 plants. 71, 72. So is 71 less than 72? Is 71 greater than 72? Or is 71 equal to 72? Less than, greater than, or equal to? Where is the blue color? Is it less than, greater than, or equal to? Well, we see that in our pattern, 1 in the ones column is always less than 2 in the ones column. So that means that you are correct. 71 is not greater than 72, and it's not equal to 72, not the same number. 71 is less than 72. Excellent work. Thanks for sticking with me. That was a really, really long activity. I wanted to work through the whole thing with you, and you did a great, great job. I'm so, so proud of you. Check out this toy theater for some things that you can try. There's some other games. I haven't looked at everything on it, but I really do like it for some of the teaching tools. So I hope that you have a fantastic day and a wonderful weekend. See you soon.